Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating hardware compatibility. Make sure the car has a remote start-capable module and you can access CAN or OBD-ROMan 2. Next, create a Python 3. 10 virtualenv and pip install Python CAN, PySerial and any vendor SDKs. This isolates your code. Once done, connect your USB CAN or USB serial adapter to a bench-tested harness so you can simulate ignition signals safely. Do not test on a live vehicle until basic messages are observed. You will now capture and interpret traffic. Run Python CAN to record CAN frames while you trigger key events so you identify ID for ignition, lock, and remote start. Then implement transmit and receive routines with timeouts, exponential backoff, and checksum or CRC validation. This ensures message integrity. Make an abstraction layer that exposes start, stop, and status, so you separate protocol logic from hardware. Add unit tests and a simulation mode to validate logic before touching the vehicle. You finish by implementing the safe start sequence. Run pre-checks for battery voltage and door status, then send the ignition command, verify telemetry or ACK frames, and maintain the engine with heartbeat checks. Include a timeout to roll back actions. Once live, monitor logs and telemetry to confirm success. If things go wrong, first review wiring and CAN termination, then check adapter drivers and message timing. Most faults are wiring, incorrect ID, or missing retries. Adjust and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.